What's up guys? Top 10 most expensive cars available in the world. We present you the list of top 10 most expensive cars available in the world. So let's get started. Number 10. Lamborghini Centenario LP774. The first to kick off our list is Lamborghini Centenario LP774, produced one of the celebrity on the 100 years of the Ferruccio Lamborghini, the founder of the company. This beast has 6.5 LTR V12 engine with a power of 770 horsepower and 8600 RPM. It reaches the speed of 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds. The top speed is started as 220 mph for it. This one is twice as aerodynamically efficient than the other offering from Lamborghini the Aventador. The Lamborghini Centenario price is 1.9 million US. Number 9. Koenigsegg Regera. Let's take a look at this hybrid supercar from the Swedish makers. This one is powered by a twin turbo 5.0 LTR V8 engine. It's packed with 4.5 kWh battery and boosts 1500 horsepower. It can reach a speed up to 60 mph in 2.8 seconds, while the time to reach 186 mph in just 10.9 seconds. It has a top speed of 248 mph. The price of Koenigsegg Regera is 2 million US. Number 8. Koenigsegg 1. Another one from the Swedish makers. This one is a mega car. Well, that's what we suppose. It has 1340 horsepower, which tops a speed of 273 mph. The piece is a limited edition as only 6 of them were ever made. It employs a 1.1 kg to horsepower ratio and has F1 style honeycomb core and manifold. The price of Koenigsegg 1 is 2 million US. Number 7. Bugatti Chiron. An updated model on the old Chiron predecessor. This one has the performance up to the hands. It has an 8.8 liter W16 engine which picks a power of 1500 horsepower and has an 1180 pound-feet of torque. It can reach a speed of 60 mph in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 261 mph. The price on Bugatti Chiron is 2.5 million US. Number 6. Ferrari F60 America. This one made the rounds in the production line to celebrate the 60-year regime of Ferrari in North America. It produced 10 such bombshells and has the classic racing livery. It is powered with the 6.0 liter V12 engine, producing a peak power of 740 horsepower and reaches a speed up to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds. The price of Ferrari F60 America is 2.5 million US. Number 5. Pagani Huayra VC. It has the record for the fastest top gear lap ever in the history and bears the name of Incan God of Winds. It has an enormous power with 1102 lbps of downforce at 155 mph and showcases great looks. It has feather lightweight and used carbon fibers and more to impress on the weight scale. It only ever had 20 variants produced at the time. The price of Pagani Huayra VC is 2.6 million US. Number 4. Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivere. This one not only belongs to the list of fastest but is quite expensive too. It's a special edition by the Mansory Vivere which starts at 1200 horsepower Veyron. It has carbon fiber body with new spoiler body and rebuffed cabin. It features upgraded car interiors and LED light. The top speed value can reach up to 254 mph. The price of Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivere is 3.4 million US. Number 3. W Motors Lagan Hypersport. This one made the rounds in the blockbuster movie Furious 7. As the Lebanese supercar had a sense of crashing through 3 skyscrapers, it has dual customized headlights, scissor doors and high-end exotics. It is powered by a 3.7 liter engine and has a peak power of 770 horsepower and 10 lb-ft. It can reach the speed of 62 mph in just 2.8 seconds. The top speed for this one is 240 mph. The price of W Motors Lagan Hypersport is 3.4 million US. Number 2. Lamborghini Veneno. This one was built to celebrate the 50th birthday of the automaker company. The vehicle is downright deadly and venomous. At least that's what the specs say. It has stunning graphics and looks packed with optimum features. It has 6.5 liter V12 engine with a power of 740 horsepower and 507 lb-ft and 8400 RPM. It can reach to the speed of 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. The price of Lamborghini Veneno is $4.5 million US. Number 1. Kone 6cc XR3 Vita. Another one from the artillery of Swedish manufacturers. This one is the most expensive street legal production car in the whole of the world. It has a 4.8 liter dual charged V8 engine underneath. It powers around 1004 horsepower and 797 lb-ft. The car remains a limited edition as only 3 of them were ever made. The price of Kone 6cc XR3 Vita is $4.8 million US. These are truly the ones that lure everyone into. No one could really resist the sight of these beasts, literally no one. We hope to see your views on the list down below. Do share your thoughts and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest worldwide facts update. Peace out.